Hey, this is Gilchrist. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker on the Hope Capernaum team. Today I am here to show you an amazing property located in Enola, Pennsylvania, 211 Miller's Gap Road. Just wait until you see what's inside. I can't wait to show you what's inside of this amazing property. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just under 2,000 square feet, and is sitting on 12.9 acres of land. The first thing you will see when you walk onto this retreat is the views. The views are just absolutely amazing. Now, if you take a walk with me, first we have our entryway. This is a secluded area that will lead you to the property. At first, we have our 2-car garage sitting over to your left-hand side. And we have the stones, the beautiful brick stones walking that will lead you to the pathway to the property. If you stop here, just amazing. This view is literally breathtaking. Sitting on the mountaintop of our beautiful Enola, Pennsylvania. And just to let you know, by the way, if you don't know, this school district in Enola, Pennsylvania is one of the top rated schools you will find. So whether you are looking for a property for you and your family, possibly a retreat, a rental, Airbnb, this is your property. Welcome home. Just walking in the property, the first thing that you will notice are the eye-gazing, huge windows. Check out this view. This is the piece that you can buy. Just amazing, absolutely amazing. Right here you have your front room. Wonderful, beautiful fireplace that you have here. We have some cabinet space over to your right. And then right here all sitting is the kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. It kind of reminds me of like the vintage, older style back in the day. But I kind of like it. I really do. We have the light pink tile, as you see here, very sturdy. Beautiful cabinets. And if you see, we have wallpaper here. It kind of brings the gray, the light gray and the pinks together. You have your electric stove, built-in microwave, and your dishwasher here. Here you'll find a sink, and it says home is right here. If you look over to your right, you'll have your double door refrigerator. Just enough. And just check out the flooring. And if you back out over here, they have lighting underneath the cabinets. Like, just beautiful. And then right here, you have your bar countertop. Just enough space for two. Now, if you come with me into this room, you have the master suite located right on the first level. How convenient. You have your room here for guests if they would like to sit. And right off from the master suite, you have your large extended deck. Right off from your deck, once again, literally, you will see in every room, you have this beautiful view. Just wonderful, so beautiful. Just to look over the entire city. We are just short of a sunset. Just imagine sitting on a sunset with you and your guests on this long extended patio, just looking over Enola City. You will love what you see. Just wait until you come inside. Look at this retreat. This is so wonderful. You could, plan a special dinner with your guests, have a big enough jacuzzi to fit you and the wife, and it's just sitting off from the gazing views. If you walk in here, this will lead you back out into the master bedroom, but here is your his and her closet with ample enough space. Even though, the husband might have this quarter, but there's still enough space. This area right here, you can put all your heels and maybe, your Jordans up at the top, but as you see, just enough space. And this right here will lead you back out into the master bedroom on the first floor level. Please just walk with me. There's so much more to see. Just beyond your front room, you have your bathroom here. And your laundry room, also located on the first floor, right in the bathroom. How convenient. Your beautiful shower here, toilet, and single vanity. And like I promised you, in every room, even the bathroom, you will have your views. Just right here, please walk in with me. You have your second bedroom. And here, I just love the continuous, wood throughout the property. It's really set up here as a retreat. Actually, it would be the perfect Airbnb. Now, if you walk with me, once again, in every room, we have the views. How romantic would this be? A dinner set here for two while you sit and gaze at the city and the sunset. Like, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. And just for $625,000. 12.9 acres of land, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Please follow me. As you see here, we have the wonderful, beautiful, romantic staircase. It's the spiral staircase that will lead you to the second floor level. So I will be heading down the nice wooden spiral staircase. It's not as steep as it looks. I just have on these heels, but I love it. Very sturdy, your natural wood, and it just kind of complements the rest of the home. Down here, we are on the second level. Right here, you have your pellet stove, and you have your continuous stone that you seen when we actually entered the property. This is just a quiet, cozy area. Family room. Have your TV here, your nice couch. And if you look over here, we just have our extra space here for closet or extra storage, whatever you may need. And as you also see, one of my promises, the views. Right behind this nice, beautiful double wooded door. Once again, 12.9 acres of land. If you look over here to your right, we have our table set for 4 with our nice fireplace. You could sit there and, roast marshmallows with your friends on the fire pit, or you could sit in a rocking chair with your loved ones. There's so much space and opportunity for entertainment here. Oh, I forgot. Check out the private pool. Just beautiful. You could host events here for you and your family. It could be a private romantic retreat. You could rent this out as an Airbnb. I can almost promise you it will be booked, whether we're in the cold winter and you're booking this just for a quiet, cozy night with your loved ones. Or, you could throw a party here and have a crazy party and entertainment for your friends. Literally, it's so many possibilities. But the main important excitement of this home is the just incredible views. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with me to view this amazing property located at 211 Millers Gap Road in Enola, PA. Whether you're interested in this property or any other property in central Pennsylvania, feel free to give me a call. My number is listed below. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and reach out to me if I can answer any other questions that you may have in regards to real estate. Once again, my name is Julia Gilchrist. I'm with Coldwell Banker on the Hope Capernaum team. Thank you. Have a great day.